That was the sound of Clash Royale. Victoryness.
Victoryness. What's up, guys? It's been a long time since I've done a video. So I actually just filmed a bunch, but I haven't uploaded in a while. For a lot of you guys who have just joined on recently, thank you very much. Our subscriber count has actually been building quite fast within the last few months, even though I haven't uploaded anything. But anyways, this is a video that we were supposed to do a while ago, and this was the Q&A for hitting 1,000 subscribers. So again, thank you guys so much for the support, really appreciate it. Today we're gonna go over some of those questions. I'm gonna try to answer every one to the best of my abilities, and then I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about the plans for 2018 and what's gonna happen. Joining me is my friend Kyung. You want to get into the frame a little bit more?
What's up? My name's Kyung.
He's going to be starting his own YouTube channel.
Yep.
I will link it in the description below, assuming that's going to be the same channel that he's going to use. Alright, so let's get on with the Q&A, and then we will talk about the new plans for 2018. Alright, so first question, this is from Marilyn Flores. What low compression pistons should I go with for my 2013 FRS? I have no idea. Only because I haven't really researched into building... only because I haven't researched into building an engine for the BRZ yet. I haven't actually done any sort of research on compression ratios or anything like that. While it is definitely a future plan, that's not something I've done any research on yet, only because that's not a short-term goal. That's definitely going to be long-term. So I'm sorry I can't really answer that for you. Dylan Sorensen says, what are your plans for the 86? So there's quite a bit of plans for it. We're going to be running Flex Fuel E85 turbo kit, most likely the JDL unequal length header turbo. There's going to be I'm eventually going to wide body the BRZ. We're going to be going with the Cull kit for the sides, so the side fenders, the side skirts. I'm going to be running an 86 front bumper because I actually really like it, even though a lot of people hate it. And then I'm actually going to be running a Varus rear bumper with a Rocket Bunny GT wing. So it's going to be the very cool 86 Bunny. AJ's BRZ asks, if you had to give up one of your cars, which one would it be?
The 86.
So, no, absolutely not. So at the time when this was asked, I had an S2000 and the Fiesta ST and then my BRZ. I no longer have the S2000 or the Fiesta ST, and I now have a Focus. So if I had to get rid of one between the BRZ and the Focus, it'd have to be the Focus. I mean, I love the BRZ way too much.
But you did get rid of your S2000.
I did get rid of the S2000, but that was like financial decision, unfortunately, and it's definitely something that part of me regrets. But I will probably own another one in the future. Char Rex asks, what car are you planning to get next? Are you a fan of muscle cars? Congrats on the 1K subs. I am a fan of muscle cars. I actually really like muscle cars. One of my dream muscle cars is a GT Shelby, Mustang GT Shelby, or Shelby GT, whatever. And to be honest, a lot of people like to have a very specific year, but for me, it's just whatever's the newest. So I know Ford just announced the new GT500 Shelby, which is supposed to be supercharged V8, like 700 horsepower. It's gonna be nuts. So, like, if I had the money to afford that, when that comes out, I'll get that one. Optimum X asks, what do you do for a living? So I actually work IT operations for Tesla Motors. Really like the job. It's a really good job. Tesla is a fantastic company. And I know it sounds kind of weird because I'm a really big petrol head and Tesla's all electric cars, but I feel like they're actually doing some really good stuff and their cars are actually really, really cool. Like the new Roadster that was announced is that's like fantastic. And if I were to own an electric car, it would definitely be the new Roadster too, because I mean, 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds, and they proved it on all the YouTube videos. Like all the YouTubers that have been like, you know, that managed to pre-order and then get a ride. You all saw the 0 to 60 1.9 seconds, which is insane. The car looks fantastic. It looks like a cross between like a McLaren and a Ferrari.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's so cool. Like
maybe a little bit of a Lotus in
a little bit of a Lotus, you know? In the mix, yeah. To throw back to its roots, yeah. And then Jake Toby asked, do you like motorbikes? Will you ride them? Why and why not? I think motorbikes are cool. I won't ever ride one, largely because I am also a musician and I value these. And if I break these, that sucks. So I'm also a fragile human being. So yeah, no motorbikes for me, although I do think they're really, really cool. I actually did one back in high school. It was I wanted the Kawasaki Ninja, the green and black one, because I mean, I like green. So that was what it was gonna be. But that's it for the Q&A. Thank you very much everyone who asked the question. Now, as far as plans for 2018, this channel is going to change a little bit differently. Originally, I wanted this to be very much like a car channel with like a lot of, you know, like how-tos and follow my build. It's still going to be that, but I'm going to be adding in a lot more vlog type stuff. I want to be a little bit more of a vlogger just because I feel like it's a little bit more fun for me. Trying to find stuff every week that relates to cars was actually getting really, really difficult. And plus, I feel like I can do a little bit more collaboration. So like my friend Kyung here, he's going to be doing a lot of vlogs, and I think it'd be fun to just do like a normal generic like vlog collaboration. That way he doesn't have to have like a car for us to do like a collab. So I think stuff like that would be fun. And I don't know why you're sitting so far away, because you're barely in the shot.
Well, I didn't know.
But yeah, so that's gonna be a big plan for 2018. I'm gonna be streaming a lot more video games. I'm a very big gamer. I love League of Legends. That's one of my favorite games. I've been playing it for like 10 years, or however long it's been out. No, it's been out for like 8 years. 8 years. I've been playing for 8 years. So I'll be streaming that along with my roommate. She will be streaming that as well. She likes to play. She's gonna be playing like Overwatch and League of Legends and World of Warcraft. So I will link her stream in the description below as well. So if you want to follow us, you know, please do so. It'd be really cool to have, you know, people join us on our streams. Generally, I'll be streaming Monday through Friday after what? When have I been getting home? Like after 8 or so. So 8 till whenever I go to bed, and then weekends will probably be around the same time. So follow us on the streams. It'll be a lot of fun. This year is going to be really different, but there's going to be a lot of exciting things that are going to happen. Thank you very much again, you guys, for the subscriptions. Thank you very much again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hell yeah.
Yo, what's up everybody? We are actually at my friend Noah's house because we're doing something a little bit different today. Well, okay, I'm not doing anything different, but this is his BRZ right here. So he's got a 2017. It's got, I don't know if you guys remember, but these are basically my old wheels, the first wheels I ever got. They're not actually like the wheels, but NK Rygens, really good. He's got the STI lip kit and aero kit and looks freaking good. But he is going big wing today. So remember, I had the APR GTC 200. He bought the exact same one, and we figured that since I already have my old trunk, which already has the pre-drilled holes and everything, so it'll save him a few $100s. We don't have to go to Neil to install. It'll be super easy to bolt together. I mean, I was able to take apart the old APR wing myself with no one else's help. So we're gonna actually swap trunks. So I'm gonna trade him my old trunk with some cash on top. He's gonna give me the 2017 trunk, which I'm super excited for because I think it's gonna look real good. And the black trunk that I got that says FRS on it, Bulls, that's actually gonna go to my friend Nick because I think he's trading it away for like a big wing or something, I don't know. Battle Arrow. Big wang gang. So yeah, I'm finally getting a wing again, but not super big. It's like mini wing. Mini wing gang. So yeah, we're just taking apart the trunks right now, and then yeah, we'll do the install of the wing. It'll be good. It'll be real good. Alright, first bracket on.
I used the wrong rubber.
What?
Alright, now if we could.
I was like, wait, what?
Irreversible.
It's like that should have worked, man. Alright boys, so we actually kind of messed up and we dropped a few of the screws inside of the trunk. So now we're going to head over to Ace. We're going to go get some magnets and we're going to, you know, get the screws on. But everything's looking pretty good so far. We have the brackets on. So they're pretty solid. I think we're just missing like these two. So just need to get those on. Wing will go on. We'll probably take this off. We're gonna be going with a TRD spoiler that should honestly fit. I'd be surprised if it doesn't, but it should fit. And then we'll put that on. It'll look good. It'll cover up the holes. I think we're gonna paint it, but this is just here for now, just to cover up the stock holes. But yeah, boys, that 2017 trunk, I love it. Looks good. Looks real good. Man, it's fucking cold. Alright, so we finally got the wing on. It looks sick. I'll show you guys. So he used my old trunk, so it still has that double wing, but he's gonna replace that probably with like a 5AD spoiler or something, just to make it a little bit more flush. But yeah, boys, that looks sick. Only took us like 10 hours. Yep. And then I'm rocking the 2017 trunk now. That spoiler, I think it looks good. Back in that wing gang. I really need new side skirts. The side skirts I have. Yeah, but they're fading. They're hella crap. I don't know, but here's the thing. I want TRD side skirts, but at the same time, if I go my wide body, they have their own side skirts that I want. But it's like, that's gonna be so far in the future. I might just get the legit TRD ones just so that my car looks nicer.
Alright, how do you think that fits in this? That's pretty good.
Mine.
Like horizontal from the front?
Yeah. I got mine, Noah, Jason, Tyrone. You guys haven't seen his car in a while. I don't know if you guys saw like the Varus kit. And he's running the SPD V2. Yeah. Yeah, it's sick. But it's freaking cold, man. Like we need to get some food. I think we're trying to install some canards right now in Noah's car. Just see what it looks like. And then we'll probably head out, get some food.